In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload high-quality images on Shopify tutorial. Crisp, high-resolution images can make a huge difference in how professional your store looks and how confident customers feel when they browse your products. I'll walk you through the exact clicks to get your images into Shopify the right way, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the path so everything looks its best. First, open your Shopify admin and sign in to your store. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the search bar at the top. This search is a shortcut to almost anything inside Shopify, so it's a great habit to use it. Click into the search bar and type the word highlight. This term pulls up related content tools and options you can use to manage assets across your store. From the results, click the option labeled Add an object with multiple fields to your store. This takes you into Shopify's content area where advanced content types live. Don't worry, we're not building anything complex right now. We're simply using this route to get to your media library. Inside this area, click on Files. Files is where Shopify stores images, videos, and documents that you can use throughout your storefront, product pages, and blog posts. Keeping images in files makes them easy to reuse and keeps everything consistent. Next, click Upload Files. A file picker will open from your computer. Select the high-quality image you want to add. In this example, I'm choosing a photorealistic hummingbird image, but you should pick the image that best represents your product or brand. As a tip, aim for clear, well-lit photos with a clean background. Shopify will automatically optimize images for performance, but starting with a sharp original helps preserve detail. After you select your image, Shopify will upload it and display a preview along with basic information like file name and dimensions. Give the upload a moment to finish, especially if your image is large. When it's done, your file is safely stored in Shopify's Files library and ready to use anywhere in your store. You can insert it into product galleries, collection banners, pages, or your theme sections. If you ever need the direct link, you can open the image from Files to copy its URL. A couple of quick best practices while you're here. Use descriptive file names so assets are easy to find later. Stick with common web formats like JPG or PNG for broad compatibility, and try to keep images reasonably sized so pages load quickly while still looking crisp. That's it. You've navigated to your Files library and uploaded a high-quality image, setting yourself up for a polished